guys, Fred here, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors. It is Friday, August 2nd. We've got 30 degrees centigrade outside right now. 32 with humidex. We are under a severe thunderstorm watch at the time. We had a few drops of rain earlier, but it is very hot, very humid. Anyway, today's video, as you guys know, we enjoy the outdoors, we enjoy camping, we enjoy hiking, we enjoy canoeing, all the other stuff. Our family enjoys a lot of camping as well. My wife and I bought this Feather camper here a few years ago, a trailer. We went from tents to tent trailer to this thing. This has been a good unit. It's a 2010. It's been stored inside every winter. Very clean, very tidy, still like new. But we just bought and purchased this unit. This is an old Holiday from Teresa's mom, and I'm just in the midst of doing some repairs, fixing it up, and we're gonna make this suited just for Teresa and I for simple outings and suited just to us. It's dual axle, which makes it nice for hauling. It is an older unit, so obviously there are some things that need to be fixed, need to be repaired. One of the things I just did was I just changed the lights out on the back. The old lights that were on here were not working at all, so I did change those out, and I've put some new lights on them and just do some painting around here. Paint those black around the outside of the lights. And I'm also doing a bunch of work inside. What I'm also doing is I'm changing all the lights to LED. I just put in a plug-in outside here. There was a box here but nothing on it, so I put a plug-in outside here with a cover for outside the trailer, and I just put a ground fault receptacle inside the unit as well. I have tested the oven and the stove, and everything works well. What I do need to do though is I just need a I'm going to run a rubber line in to the new fridge that I'm putting inside. We did purchase a new fridge, and what we'll do is we will hook that up. That is a 120 and a propane fridge. It was a 3 cubic foot fridge was originally in there, and we purchased a used but almost new fridge to put in here. So the lights that I'm going to replace with, as I said, are LED. So I'm going to take the old lights out. These will be the lights here that will go inside the trailer. I have a set of 4, and this guy will go outside. I'm going to put the orange lens on it, and this will go outside. They're all LEDs. I'm hoping that'll save us a little bit of battery consumption on here. What I did do today was I did buy a battery in a box for outside as well, and I will position that here. I need to run a new wire outside of the trailer because originally the battery was inside underneath the front here at the dinette. Now, don't mind the mess because I am in the middle of doing renovations. So this is where the battery originally was. This is the old fridge that was in there. This is a, what's the name on it here? It's a Dometic fridge that was in here. So what I'm doing is I'm in the process of opening this area up here to put the new fridge in, and this is where the new fridge will go. It'll actually fit just perfect in here. It'll be nice in here. And as I said, I just want to replace this copper line with the rubber line, so I'm gonna have to measure it underneath the trailer here where it hooks up and bring that in. I have some cleaning up to do, a few other things. We're gonna do some painting in here. These are the lights that I'm replacing with the new LED lights here. We're gonna take the filament bulbs out, and we're gonna replace those with, as I say, the LED lights. I'm going to replace these with some new fixtures as well, a little lower profile for in here. And as I said, I put the ground fault receptacle in at the kitchen. This was a regular one, and I did put a ground fault receptacle in here. So this is just one of my projects that I have now ongoing, and it is a work in progress. And we're hoping to paint it, maybe paint the outside camouflage colors. I have the warehouse in the back here, so it's easy enough for me to bring this in this winter and do some work on it. I do have to redo the roof. I have some rubber and I have some really good roofing tar to put on here, so I can redo that as well and redo all the seams. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys my little project that I've got happening here, and we'll see what happens here once it's all done, and looking forward to getting out in this thing. So thanks for watching, guys. This is Fred VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors, for Friday, August the 2nd, long weekend here in Canada. So you guys all have a safe and good weekend here, and I'll catch up with you guys later. So this is Fred VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors. 7-3, guys.